In order to get a discount on PiPiADS, which is a very popular TikTok ad spy tool, you need to click on the first link provided in the description. It will redirect you to the PiPiADS page. Sign in with your account here. After signing in, click here on pricing. There are 3 different plans, with their own unique benefits. You can compare all the benefits provided and choose a plan that you want. Also, if you choose the yearly plan from here, you will get a 30% discount. And I will tell you a coupon code that gets you extra 20% discount. That means you can get as much as 50% discount on the yearly plan. You can decide whether you want the yearly plan or the monthly plan. As the VIP plan is the most popular, I will purchase it. Click here on Skip Trial Buy Directly. On the next page there is this option to add coupon code. Enter the code WB Explainer in all caps and then click Apply Coupon. You will see a pop-up that says congratulations, the coupon code is valid. Click here on Confirm. Now you can see the original price was $155 and with a 20% discount of $31. The price is now $124. Click here on Get Started and enter the remaining details on this Stripe page and complete your payment. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that can automatically make animated captions within a minute, then check out this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.